Greetings of the day. In today's class, we will start with playing cards. There are 52 playing cards. ठीक है? It means the total outcomes is 52. ठीक है? Total number of playing cards is 52. ठीक है? These 52 playing cards are divided into two equal parts with different colors. ठीक है? These 52 playing cards are divided into two parts with different color. 26 red cards, 26 black cards. Okay. Now again these 26 red and black cards are divided into two equal parts. Okay, into two equal parts. ठीक है? In red cards diamonds, okay, and hearts. ठीक है? 13 cards diamond, 13 cards hearts. ठीक है? And in black cards clubs and spade. ठीक है? 13 card clubs and 13 card spade. Okay, now these 13 cards, the first card is, in these 13 cards the first card is ace. ठीक है? From 2nd to 10th. ठीक है? From 2nd to 10th the numbers are there on the card from 2 to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 like this. ठीक है? So from 2 to 10. ठीक है? The 11th card is jack, 12th card is queen, and 13th card is king. ठीक है? Similar in hearts, clubs and spade, the same card will be there. Okay, similar, same card. ठीक है? Same card in hearts, clubs and spade. Okay, ठीक है? In these 13 cards, the jack, queen and king, these are called face card. ठीक है? Because the pictures are printed on these cards. ठीक है? So 3 face card in diamond, 3 in hearts, 3 in clubs and 3 in spade. So total number of face card, total number of face card is equal to 12. ठीक है? Total number of face card is 12. ठीक है? Total number of ace is 4. 1 in diamond, 1 in heart, 1 in club and 1 in spade. ठीक है? Total number of ace is equal to 4. ठीक है? Similar we can find others. Okay. Now suppose we have to find the probability of red cards. ठीक है? Probability of red cards. So how many red cards? 26. ठीक है? So 26 is the favorable outcomes and total outcome is 52. ठीक है? So the probability will be 26 by 52. It means 1 by 2. ठीक है? After cancellation we will get 1 by 2. ठीक है? Now we will start exercise 15.1. Question number 1 is, question number 1 is, in a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. So total number of balls, it is 30. It is given. It means the total outcomes is 30. Okay. And batswoman hits a boundary 6 times. Okay. So she did not hit a boundary is equal to 30 minus 6. because total number of balls is 30. If she hits the boundary 6 times, so she did not hit a boundary is equal to 30 minus 6, it means 24. Okay, so first we will write the total number of balls, or you can say total outcomes. Total number of balls is equal to 30. ठीक है, batswoman hit a boundary is equal to 6 times. ठीक है, so batswoman did not hit a boundary is equal to 30 total number of balls, 6 times she hit a boundary, so she did not hit a boundary is equal to 30 minus 6, 24. ठीक है, now we have to find the probability that she did not hit the boundary. ठीक है, so probability did not hit a boundary is equal to favorable outcome, it is 24. ठीक है, अपॉन टोटल आउटकम इज 30. ठीक है, 6 4s and 6 5s. ठीक है, so the probability is 4/5. ठीक है, the first question done. Okay, now second question is, question number second is 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and following data were recorded. Number of girls in a family, ठीक है, 2. So number of families is 475. ठीक है, number of girls in a family 1. So number of families 814 and number of girls in a family 0, it means no. ठीक है, so number of families it is 211. ठीक है, so compute the probability of family chosen at random having 2 girls, 1 girl and no girl. ठीक है, so the total outcomes, or we can say total number of families, it is given 1500. Okay, so first we will write total number of families. Total number of families is equal to 1500. ठीक है, the first part is we have to find the probability of family having 2 girls. ठीक है, so probability of family having 2 girls is equal to favorable outcome. So favorable outcome it is given 475. ठीक है, and total outcome is 1500. ठीक है, the frequency it is given 475. ठीक है, so 475 is the favorable outcome and 1500 is the total outcome. ठीक है, we can cancel out by 25 table. ठीक है, 25 ones are 25. ठीक है, and 25 nines are, and it will cancel out by 60 times, so the answer will be 19/60. ठीक है, the second part, probability of a family having one girl and the favorable outcome it is given 814. ठीक है, the favorable outcome of a family having one girl it is given 814. ठीक है, and the total outcome is 1500. so it will 814 upon 1500. ठीक है, cancel out, 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14, and it will 2 7s are 14. ठीक है, 2 5s are 10, 0, so it will 407 by 750. ठीक है, the third part is the probability of family having no girl. So probability of a family having no girl, and the frequency it is given, it means the favorable outcome given is 211 and the total outcome is 1500. ठीक है, so 211 is a prime number. ठीक है, so it will not cancel out, so this is the simplest form. Okay, so I think this is clear, question number 1 and 2. Okay, now question number third. Question number third you have to do yourself. Okay, now we will take the next question, question number 4. Three coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of the different outcomes. Outcome and frequency. Outcome 3 heads and the frequency is 23. Outcome 2 heads, frequency is 72. Outcome 1 head, the frequency is 77. And outcome no head, the frequency is 28. If the three coins are simultaneously tossed again, to compute the probability of two heads coming up. ठीक है, the favorable outcomes for two heads coming up, it is given 72 and the total outcome is 200 times. ठीक है, it means 200. So in this question the total outcomes is 200. ठीक है, and favorable outcomes for two heads coming up, for two heads it is given 72. So the probability of getting two heads is equal to favorable outcome 72, total outcome is 200. ठीक है, we can cancel out 8 9s are 72 and 25 8s are 200. ठीक है, so the probability will be 9/25 of getting two heads. Okay, so I think this is clear. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay.